Well, hello and welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Today, well, we're in downtown Paphos, and we're going to make a very, very special video for some very, very special people. So without further ado, I'd like to introduce you to the most beautiful woman in the entire world, and her name is Sofianna.
Hello, everybody. How nice to see you again and again. Today is a very, very especially video for you. Miss Julie, Mr. Carl, read path. This video is especially for you. Just smile.
So stick with us. We are going to storm the main reception of the Sofianna Resort and Spa. We know there's two entrances. There's one there to the left, but that's where the main reception is, and that's where the receptionists are. So we're going to sneak around the side. So stick with us as we follow the rear end of Ochin Rasivia Labuth. Come on, Labuth. You go that away, get to the end and sneak your way around. And watch out for people in blue shirts, because there's the managers. It's an absolutely beautiful resort, this, by the way. I really, really do like it. And just so you understand, we did do a quick recon and we bumped into two of our subscribers who greeted us at the door in their wonderful football outfits. I'm not going to say which team it was, because obviously that can upset certain people. Keep going, Labuth. Don't let that gumbaru down there stop us. He's waiting for his lunch. So stick with us. We've come round to the restaurant area, and this is the other way into this resort, and it truly is a luxury 4-star spa and hotel resort. So that's the main restaurant area. Have a look at that. There we go, receiver booth. Let's follow your rear end. Let's get ready to get stopped. They like to throw us out of this hotel, that's for sure. Stick with us. Wow, it's nice and cool in here. It's a beautiful resort, by the way, very, very tranquil, very, very calm. That is the guest relations manager. She doesn't like us at all. That is the main reception area just up there. But it's a beautiful hotel. And there's the nighttime evening bar, if you have a look at that. That opens up in the evening. Very, very nice bar indeed. So, let's follow the rear end of Gracevia booth. There is a spa if you go through that door there, but you can't actually get into the spa without being stopped. So, unfortunately, open the door and we'll show you the main entrance to the spa. There it is. In you go, Receiver. I'll follow your rear end. Let's have a quick look. There we are. Wow, it's beautifully cool, isn't it? It's absolutely beautiful in here. And there's doors all over the place. Let's have a look what's through here. Ooh, what have we found? Oh! Now we know why it's called the spa, because it's got its very own spa. Wow.
I'm going to be arrested for this, by the way.
One of these days, I'm going to be arrested. It's got a beautiful, beautiful indoor pool. Have a look at that. As you know, Mr. Paul does like a very, very nice indoor pool. It's something I like first thing in the morning and last thing at night. It's beautiful. And we've got a sauna. Hold on. Let's have a look in there. Doesn't get any better.
Do you know what's going on here? That stones, if you throw the water on the stones, it goes more steamy.
Hotter and hotter and hotter, and it's absolutely great for your health and for your pores. Most people understand that. Julie, you're going to have a great, great holiday here, that's for sure. Carl, it's going to be absolutely spectacular. Shall we go out that way, Gracevia? We'll follow the rear end of Gracevia Labuth. There we go. So we're now out at the main pool area. What a nice pool it is, surrounded by apartments, as you can see. And there is one of the main bar areas. And then over there is a nice relaxing area where you can sit and chill out in the shade. You've got a kiosk just over there. It's a great, great resort, that's for sure. And over here we've got football and we've got a pool table. And some very, very beautiful, tranquil gardens to the rear there. Have a look at that. So if there's too much hustle and bustle by the pool, you can pop out in the back and still lap up those rays of sunshine. You're going to have a great holiday.
How beautiful. Clean up. All the people seem to be so happy. Laughing, eating, smiling, drinking, the children having a fun. What a beautiful place.
Beautiful resort. Right, stick with us. We're going to go and have a look at the extra large pool that curves round. There's a kiddies playground, there's slides, there's fun and games going on absolutely everywhere. And you're going to have a great holiday, that's for sure. Have a look at the kiosk there. Everything you could possibly want. And we understand over here there is a further bar, again some more footballing and some more pooling. And you've got changing rooms here.
Oh, nicely done.
It's a beautiful garden, absolutely beautiful gardens, that's for sure. I think this is one of the best resorts in the whole of downtown Cape of Paphos. And there again is another bar area, have a look at that. This lady always smiles and waves at us, there she is. She's a star, an absolute star. Stick with us, we are going to go up here and have a look at that. Welcome to the jungle. Wow. Now, Gracevia LaBouffe will have the time of her life in there. You never know, Mr. Carl, maybe you can chase Julie around in there. She can have a great time, that's for sure. So, we're going to continue round, and then we're going to exit the building, and we might take you and have a little look at Bar Street. It's hot today, isn't it? That's for sure. Let's try and show you this rear of this excellent pool. Have a look at that. So we're at the rear of the resort now. It's a great place indeed. Come on, Gracevia LaBouffe. We've now got to try and work our way and wiggle our way around and miss the management. Otherwise, of course, as you've come to understand, these are going to shut us down. So we're going to go that way, Gracevia, around the outer edge of this rather nice pool, and we're going to try and share it with you. Have a look at that. That's a beautiful pool, and it snakes all the way around in between all of the apartment complexes. It truly is a great resort indeed. Various parts have got various bars, and of course there's different music playing out. You've got these great sunbathing areas. Is it good? Stick with us. We'll continue on our little travels, and we will exit the building because we understand that there is someone in hot pursuit of us. We clocked. There's a blue shirt.
No, yellow.
Yellow shirt. There's a yellow shirt rapidly following us around the resort. So we've got about another 2 minutes before we find the main entrance. So stick with us and wish us all the luck in the world. Right, we're back to semi-safety, I would say. Here we go. So this is the actual kiosk area, and you've got a bit of ping pong going on there. There we are. Where's the balls? Ping pong. There we go. Mr. Jeff, oh Mandy, Mr. Russ, we haven't forgotten you, that's for sure. If you want some hats, if you want a bag, or you want to pop into that kiosk, and if you want a nice chilled drink, well, that could be the place to come. Right, it's time for us to slowly but surely exit the building, because, as I've told you, there is a man in a yellow shirt that is wondering what the hell is going on. So, here we are at the main pool area. We've got a bridge that transcends the pool, so we're going to follow the rear end of Gracevia LaBouffe. Have a look at that. Over there is the main restaurant area. It's a great place, that's for sure. A really great place. A lot of people having an awful lot of fun, and a lot of people truly enjoying themselves. Get us out the building, Gracevia LaBouffe.
From outside, it doesn't show that it's so huge.
No.
Only when you come in.
That's right. From the outside, it doesn't actually look that big, but when you get into the place, you start to understand that it's a little bit like a TARDIS. It's absolutely massive. And the reception is beautiful. Very calm and very tranquil. There they are, over there. They can't see us because obviously there's a lot of pillars and a lot of plants. Luckily, she's not in. Otherwise, well, she would throw us out, that's for sure. Should we pop through there?
Hello.
Right. Hi, you all right?
Hiya.
You have a good holiday?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Excellent, thanks very much. Stick with us, we're going to exit the building and get out the rear entrance. But stick with us because this is the main dining room. We're going to go out the building. She's found an old friend, so you never know. We might find our way. There's a man with a smile on his face. That's one of the chefs. You all right? You never know. We may have found our way into the management pocket. You never know. And a further bar. That's the main chef in the building. Excellent. So stick with us. We are exiting the building, and we're going to tell you what a great experience we've had today. It's a great hotel. We're going to have a great time. That's for sure.
Our dear Julie and Mr. Carl, Miss Julie and Mr. Carl, this video was very especially for you. It's lovely, beautiful. Natalia, It's lovely and beautiful, and when you come here, I'm more than sure that you will enjoy your stay. We're loving you to bits, and many thanks.
Lovely. All that's left for me to say is thanks for watching, and of course, if you do like what you see, please hit the like, click subscribe, and come back for a little bit more of our madness. If you're wondering where Gashivia LaBouffe has gone, she's gone to chat to the woman in the white shirt that just collared us as we came out. What we ask you to do is, when you stay in these hotels, please take 5 minutes of your holiday to try and explain to the management, not just the lower staff, I don't mean that in a derogatory way, but try to explain to the management that we're not doing any harm, and what we're doing is promoting their hotel, and we're not even invading people's privacy unless they invite us into their hearts, should we say. So all I can say is thanks for watching. It's been a great experience. Julie, Carl, you're going to have a great time. As you come out of the hotel, if you go up that way, you've got a bus stop and you've got Daphne Taxi. If you keep going over there, you've got the Bar Street. And if you go down that road over there, past the Aces Cocktail Bar, you're going to get to the Blue Mediterranean very quickly. And if you go out that way and wiggle your way around, there's various restaurants, and you're going to find yourself at the Paphos Mall, that's for sure. Gashivia LaBouffe is on her way. Let's have a big goodbye.
Well, would like to say many kisses from us, and many big hellos from all the management, that you would like to come here, and that I'm sure that you will have a lovely stay, and we are loving you to bits. And please don't forget to come and see another of our madnesses.
Thanks for watching.